Good morning, everyone. My name is Rotimi Emmanuel Akiwande. Today is the 28th day of July 2025. It's a beautiful Monday morning in the city of Lagos, Nigeria. I welcome you all once again. Yes, today I'll be speaking briefly on the word take it easy. Yes, the economy we are in now, it's so crazy, and you might be looking at it like you are not doing enough. Yes, you are doing enough. Don't call it quits on yourself. Don't look at your neighbor and use that as a yardstick for yourself. No, run your own race. The little you are doing, keep doing it. Add faith to it. Keep talking. Communicate with people. Reach out to people. Never can tell who is going to be your customer, or never can tell who is going to give you that big customer you need. Keep talking. Keep praying. Keep adding faith to whatever you are doing. Please don't call it quits on yourself. The economy is bad, really. That doesn't mean you should break down. Please take it easy. Lift up your head. You are doing enough. You are not lazy. Take it easy on yourself. Don't be depressed by whatever challenges you are going through. Yes, life is not fair, but that doesn't mean we won't live it. Yes, we will live the life. Please take it easy. Depression is real. I never can tell who else will make you depressed. You might be thinking you are not depressed, but deep down you are broken. Please take it easy on yourself, and the Lord will enlarge your coasts. It's a beautiful week we are now. Take it easy, and God bless you.